Hi lovely people, welcome to Everything Crochet and More. I'm your host Heya, and this is the introduction video of our Crochet the SONA Doily or centerpiece. Now this doily has been named Sona because Sona literally means treasure or gold in Hindi, and Sona was also the name of my great grandmother and we really treasured her. So yep, I dedicate this lovely centerpiece to my late great grandmother Sona. This centerpiece is made up of 35 rounds. Please do ignore that oil stain mark, I couldn't get it out. So 35 rounds, and I have divided this doily into 18 parts, 2 rounds for each part, so we can go over each and every round slowly, meticulously and in detail. The special features of this doily is this raised part here, then these front post kind of small wing like structures that I've made, and this raised ribbon stitch, as you can see, arches of ribbon stitches, 4 arches, and a lacy periphery, concentrated or busy core, and free lacy periphery here of popcorn stitches, chain stitches, single crochet and half flowers for the border. And this square doily measures about almost 21 inches in length, and it took about 200 to 220 grams of size 10 cotton thread using 2.5 mm crochet hook. I have divided 35 rounds into 18 parts, and this especially I have given one part to this round, the round number 16, and we'll go over these raised ribbon stitches in detail, and we'll go very slow with this round. And it does look intimidating, but we will go over each and every round in detail, and we'll go over each and every stitch, so it will help you all to make this doily, and hopefully my explanation makes a little less intimidating. And the return pattern for this doily is also up on my Revelry page, and it will retail for $2. I'll post the link of my return pattern in a few days, so you can find the link in the pinned comment section or in the description box below, so do check that out as well. So I hope you like this doily as much as I have. So with this, we finish with the introduction video of our Crochet the SONA Doily. If you like what you see, then do give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions or suggestions for us, please leave them in the comment section below, and do share this on other social media platforms as well. And do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for instant notifications on our latest video tutorials. And I'll see you all in the part 1 of this video tutorial. Until then, take care, bye bye, and as always, happy crocheting.